In this video, you will learn how to copy a table from PDF file and insert it into a Word document. Currently, you can see here I have opened a PDF file and I want to copy table number 3 and I want to paste it in Word document. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Currently, you can see here I have this PDF file which contains table 3. Select this file and right click. Here you will find the option of open with. From here, go to choose another app. Now here you will find the option of more options. Scroll down and here is the option of Word. From more option you will select Word. Click here. After that, select just once. Now you can see here a dialog box appeared here. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. Click on OK. Wait for just 30 seconds. Now you can see your PDF file is converted into Word document. Now we will move to table 3. Here is table 3. Hover your cursor on this table. Here you will find the option of 4 arrow sign. Click here. Now place your cursor on this table, that is the selected area. Right click. Here you will find the option of copy. Copy this one. Now open your Word document where you want to paste it. Right click and paste it using the option use destination theme. Click here. Now you can see here we have successfully copied the table from PDF and paste it into Word document. Again click on this 4 arrow sign. Place your cursor here, right click. Here you will find the option of auto fit and from here I will choose auto fit to window. Now you can edit this table according to your requirement. For example, I select the whole table using this 4 arrow sign and from here I will change the font color to red. I will change its size using this option. So you can easily edit this table according to your requirement. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.